Season 1, Episode 1, The Broken Bridge. In the colorful village of Sundar, every morning is full of surprises. Rami always wakes up first, ready to build, fix, and explore. Zara writes down every idea in her special notebook. She never misses a single detail. And Cog, their little robot friend, always shows up at exactly the wrong moment. Together, Rami, Zara, and Cog are the tiny engineers. No problem is too big for them.
It's rising too
But
fast.
today, the village felt different.
The bridge won't hold!
Everyone was rushing toward the river.
We have to warn the
worried.
others. Look out!
The bridge,
We gotta stop!
last night's big storm, had
Whoa!
broken it completely.
Whoops! Watch it, Cog.
Help!
The
We
farmers
can't
were
get
stuck.
across the
They
river
couldn't
with
bring their
these heavy
vegetables to the village
baskets.
market.
What are we going to do?
Then, Grandpa Noor arrived, and he was carrying the magical toolbox. Rami, Grandpa, what do we do? Grandpa, think, plan, then build. That is the engineer's way. Zara, we need rope and wooden planks. If we tie them strong enough, we can rebuild it. They found rope from the old barn and wooden planks from the storage shed. Let's build. Rami, the ropes must be tied to both trees, tight and strong, like this.
Look at his legs pedaling in the air.
Cog wanted to test the rope by crossing
He
it
landed
himself.
right on his head.
Not the best idea. Plank by plank, working together, the bridge was slowly taking shape. Oh no, the knot was slipping.
Oh no,
If it came
help
loose,
us.
the whole bridge would fall. Cog, scanning, solution found. You need a double knot, 2 loops, not 1.
Almost there.
Zara tied a
steady.
double knot, wrapping
Got
the rope
it.
twice around and
Yes.
through.
Phew.
Much stronger.
Nice work.
Last plank, hammer, done. The tiny engineers had built their very first bridge.
It's strong.
Rami stepped on first.
Come on, Zara.
It held.
It's safe.
Zara stepped on. It held.
Wow,
Even Cog
this is
crossed
fun.
safely. The farmers crossed. The vegetables reached the market. The village celebrated all day. Grandpa Noor, you thought, you planned, you built. That is what engineers do. Fun fact, a rope bridge works because tension in the ropes carries the weight. The tighter the rope, the stronger the bridge. Today we learned, when you work as a team and make a plan, you can solve any problem. Now a question for you. Can you name 2 things that you would need to build a bridge? Tell us in the comments. Next time, the village has no water. Can the tiny engineers build a water wheel in time? Subscribe for a new adventure every week. See you next time, tiny engineers.